everybody, I'm Carissa Gifford. I would like to introduce you to one of our special guests today from ITNH.
Hi, I'm Gifford Scanlon from ITNH, and we're going to talk about the UJV300DTF-75, Mimaki's line of UV-DTF printing.
So what we really want to show you today is some tips and tricks, and what we're going to show you is the proper ways to load this material and unload this material so that you do not get adhesive in areas that are going to cause you problems later or on your lamination bar. So we want to make sure everybody understands how we do it so you can do it that way as well. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that we are cutting the material from the front and pushing any of the adhesive that is exposed to the back of the machine, because if you pull it to the front of the machine, then you risk getting adhesive on other parts of this machine.
This process consists of an A film with exposed adhesive and a B film. And right now, they are laminating behind this roller. So we are going to cut the B film and gently attach it to the adhesive to protect it.
So you're just going to take your regular household scissors and you're going to cut it. And you're going to be careful not to cut your string that helps with static. So we cut that B film, and then he's just going to push it over the exposed adhesive. Remember, we have the pinch rollers still down during this process.
Okay. Now, after we cut our film B, we want to cut where it is attached to the take-up.
Our laminated prints that are already complete, we want to cut those apart so that we can take them off and sell our sheets.
So here's our prints, laminated and on the take-up, ready to be distributed.
So like Gifford was talking about, this is the A film. And the A film does have a release liner that when you load the material in that you have to put on this take-up. So we're going to make sure you understand how to use it and save a little bit of material at the same time. So go ahead, Gifford, and cut that liner from the back.
This is still exposed adhesive. This is very tacky, okay? You don't want to come in contact with this with your hands or anything. Okay?
So once he's cut that film, he's going to push that back onto the adhesive, and then we're going to go ahead and cut the A film once we're completed. So he's going to push that forward a little bit, and we're not going to cut the exposed part.
Exposed glue, covered glue. I'm going to cut here. Okay. I don't want to touch the exposed adhesive at all.
Okay, so now that we have everything ready, and we're gonna pull up the pinch rollers, and because we put a little bit of that liner back on there, now we can pull it to the back. And I like to sandwich that in so it doesn't really get...
Yep.
And now we have properly unloaded the material from the machine.